YouTube was launched in like, I don't know, 2005 or something by a couple nerds that met each other in school. I don't know. What up, DEANOMANIACs? My name is Dan Frampton. I'm a talented artist. Over here we got Munchie the Nutcracker. He's a genius influencer, and together we are the Dean Project, and I'd like to welcome you to A Vague History. Now I know you've probably heard of
But Brief History.
But this isn't.
But Brief History.
Because this is a vague history of YouTube. I'm gonna go through the eras of YouTube very vaguely and briefly. The first era started with one video uploaded by one of those nerds that started YouTube. It was called Me at the Zoo. And you know, you got Smosh and Young Turks around this time too. And then Fred was the first one to reach 1 million. And then you had a whole bunch of facts and list channels like Vsauce and Watch Mojo around then. That was around the end of the first era. And then the second era started. And in the second era, we got things like Dude Perfect, and Anthony Fantano started reviewing music, and then we got Pewdiepie. In era 2, everything changed. There were lots of Let's Plays and shit in the second era of YouTube. You got epic rap battles, and epic mealtime, and How to Basic, I guess. And then we got era 3. Now era 3 started in like, I don't know, 2012 or something. Somewhere around 2012, we got iDubbbz. We got Rice Gum and Mr. Beast, although Mr. Beast wouldn't blow up for some time after that. Oh, and Gabby Hanna and Tana Mojo and the Odd Ones Out, era 3. Casey Neistat started doing his friggin' daily vlogs, and everybody started taking note of that.
Oh my god, what's the outcome gonna be? And then there was a resolution.
Yeah, era 3 was all about reactions. Reaction channels, commentary, and vlogs. This is when the tea started spilling, leading us to era 4, 2017 to present. Ah, the tea is spilling. This is the drama era. YouTube's boxing one another. YouTubers, I mean, they're boxing one another. YouTube boxers are professional boxers now. In this era, what has it become? Holy shit, what has this become? All the tea, the James Charles tea, the Jeffree Star tea, you see. Drama rules, and it's all about the views. Oh yeah, and somewhere in there, like somewhere in like era 2 or whatever, Google bought YouTube off those couple nerds. They became $1 billion company, but they're not really profitable, but they're there. And they're just a very useful tool for us to be idiots on the internet, and I love it. This is my Words 2 segment that I do in all my videos, and I'm just gonna talk to YouTube. I love you. My final thoughts about YouTube are fucking awesome. I love YouTube. YouTube is great. I hope you enjoyed that history lesson that we all saw there. I hope that you loved it. These were my final thoughts today. Okay, if you enjoyed that load of horse shit that I call content, remember that you can head on over to thedeanproject.bandcamp.com for all your digital downloads, physical vinyl, t-shirts, and remember, there's a like button down there. You hit that like button, it helps me out. I've been Dan Frampton, that's been Munchie the Nutcracker, and this has been stupid for a reason.